everyone. I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today it's overcast here today, but it's cool. It's early in the morning, and I'm getting ready to make a really easy pie that we're going to have later on today for our meal. And when I came across this pie, I was reading about it, and everyone that made it, a lot of them had great success with it, and then some of them made it theirs was too liquidy. So this is the first time I've ever made this pie, and so I'm going to try it out today, and we'll see how it goes. But it has just 5 ingredients in it, and it's easy and economical, and I thought this might be a good little treat to carry to a 4th of July party, or have it for Memorial Day. So I'm just going to see how I like it today, and I'll give you my honest opinion on it. So let me get started on this easy pie. The first thing I'm going to do is add this pineapple, can of pineapple juice and all in my bowl. And then I'm going to add in my Jell-O pudding. And you don't add any water, and you don't mix this pudding up according to package directions or anything. You just drop it in your bowl. And you do use 2 packs. And I'm going to give mine a little stir. As usual, I can't help but say it smells good. I love the way pineapple smells. Okay, so now then I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup of sour cream in it. And on this pie, if you want to make your own graham cracker crust and put it in a fluted dish or anything like that, you can kick it up a notch, but I wanted mine the fast and easy way. So I'm just going to use the graham cracker pie shell. I think that was about a cup. Okay, now I'm just going to mix this all together. And my ingredients don't seem runny at all. Five ingredients and 5 minutes to make. And low cost too, so you can't beat that. Okay, I think that I've got that mixed up pretty good. Okay, I'm going to do one little trick right quick. I'm going to taste of it and see how I like the feeling. That is really amazing. This is going to be a good pie. This pie is a little different than I usually make my pineapple pies. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to try it. I usually make mine with Eagle brand milk. And this one is a lot different. I'm going to see if, I don't know if this is going to make 1 or 2. So I'm going to, because my pie shell is small. See. Okay, I think I'm going to go ahead and just make 1 instead of 2 and just make mine a little thicker. I cannot believe how good this tastes. You just never know when you're trying a new recipe, but I think this is going to be a keeper right here. And it is very easy. I need a dessert to take to somebody's house that's going to be having a baby soon. And I think this right here would be the perfect dessert, summertime dessert. I'm just going to go ahead and add this all in here. And y'all can see this pie is not runny at all. Okay. I'm going to let this chill a while, and then I'm going to come back and put some Cool Whip topping on it. And I might even try to decorate it for Memorial Day. I don't know. Okay, so I'll be back in a little while. See y'all later. Alright everyone, I'm back, and my pie's been in the refrigerator chilling for several hours. I almost forgot about it because I was doing so much housework. But anyway, I think it's ready to be sliced, and so I'm going to put some Cool Whip on it. Smooth this out now. Got some on my thumb there. We were supposed to get some rain today, but so far we hadn't got any. I'd like to get some and cool it off a little bit. Okay. This pie right here is going to be good and cold, so that should cool me off a little bit. Okay. Now you can pile as much Cool Whip on as you want, but that's all I'm doing for right now. So I'm going to set this to the side. And I was wondering about if I should make this look more like Memorial Day colors since it's Memorial Day coming up. So I'm going to try a little experiment and see how it works. I'm going to sprinkle some of this blue powder, it's not powdered sugar, but crystal sugar on it. I think that's making it look so pretty right now. This would be a good pie to take to a Memorial Day cookout. Okay. And you can put as much on it as you want, but I think I'm going to go light on it. Okay, now I'm going to put some red on it. This is so pretty. So here it is, my red, white, and blue Memorial Day pineapple pie. So now I'm going to cut me a piece of it and do the taste test. Okay. Now the first piece is always the hardest to get out. So I'm going to get my little spatula. I just wanting to break it in the middle a little bit. Okay, there we go. It's coming out pretty good right there. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to do the taste test. That is so delicious and cool and refreshing on a hot day like today. This will definitely cool you off. I think that this right here is a really good pie, and so I'll be making this a lot. And y'all have a great Memorial Day weekend, and y'all do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me.